This is the best bread pudding I have ever tasted. A mix of sweet and rich bread and sourdough salty bread that makes a very complex mix of flavors and textures that you are gonna love. The salty caramel sauce is luscious and complements this recipe perfectly. Enjoy! I have in here an old challah bread that I am cutting in medium-sized cubes. To make bread pudding, I always prefer to use a type of enriched bread like challah or brioche bread. It gives the bread pudding a delicious flavor. Cut the cubes to a medium size. Now, if you have any sourdough bread, go ahead and use it. I love the combination of flavors. The sweet flavor of the challah bread combined with the salty flavor of the sourdough give this bread pudding a good complex flavor. The thick crust of the sourdough bread in this recipe brings in a different crunchy texture that complements the bread pudding very well. Look at these great pieces of bread. When you're done cutting the bread, grease a 9x9 inch or 22 by 22 centimeter baking pan. Grease well all the sides of the pan. Place all the pieces of bread in the pan. The pan should be filled, but avoid overfilling the pan. Pour in a separate bowl 480 grams or 2 cups of milk. Add 60 grams or 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 250 grams or 5 large eggs, 200 grams or 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Mix all the wet ingredients. Then add some nuts. I am using chopped almonds, but you can use the nuts you like, and some raisins or dried cherries like I am using here. Mix all the ingredients together and pour all the mixture in the bread pan. Mix all the ingredients together again and place the pan in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes or until the edges of the bread pudding are firm. In the meantime, make a salty caramel sauce. Place in a hot pan over medium heat 200 grams or 1 cup of sugar and let it cook until the sugar melts. Then add 60 grams or 4 tablespoons of butter. Mix the butter in until the butter dissolves with the caramel and add a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Turn off the heat. Mix until all the ingredients are incorporated and add a pinch of salt. Transfer the caramel sauce to a thick glass jar. When your bread pudding is ready, take it out of the oven and you are ready to enjoy it. This dessert is better enjoyed when it is still warm from the oven. Pour some of that delicious caramel sauce on top and then cut yourself a piece. Pour some more of that salty caramel sauce on top and enjoy. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share this video with your loved ones. I'll see you on the next video.